Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to download games from Google Play Store but they're all stuck on pending or you can't even access them. And to do this, just show you, let's open our Google Play Store and here try to download something like, I don't know, Clash of Clans. Yep, we can't even access the install button. To fix this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Then there's date and time, and here we want to activate set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try again, there's this game right here and we can install it and it should start almost instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.